Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So in today's video, I want to review and demo the new Lancome Teint Idole Ultrawear All Over Concealer. I saw this come up as an ad on my Instagram, and I'm like, why did no one tell me, the queen of Lancome Teint Idole, that the girls came out with the concealer to match the foundation or to complement the foundation? Because if you guys watch my YouTube channel, if you guys watch my beauty videos, y'all know how I feel about Lancome Teint Idole Foundation. So when I found out about the concealer, I'm like, duh, I have to try it. Like, duh, I gotta get my hands on it. So I went ahead and picked it up. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do a quick face using the concealer and my overall thoughts and opinions on using this product for the first time. We're gonna get into all of that. I'm gonna give y'all my honest, truthful opinion because y'all know I don't know how to lie. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below and join the family because we're doing lit things over here, and I would hate for you guys to miss out. I would hate for y'all to miss out. So make sure you guys join. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and drop a comment down below with your thoughts, comments, questions, opinions, anything that's on your mind after watching today's video. Leave it down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So as you guys can see, I do have acne prone skin. I have textured skin. I have a couple of breakouts. No, my skin is not perfect. Yes, it is okay. If you guys tune into my YouTube channel, you guys see that I share my acne journey. You guys see that I share tips on how to apply makeup if you have acne prone skin, if you have textured skin, and all of that. So today's video, I'll be reviewing the Lancome Teint Idole Ultrawear All Over Concealer and show you guys how it works on acne prone skin, what I think of it on acne prone skin, what I think of it overall, the coverage, etc, etc, etc. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I did pick up this concealer in the shade 500, which is basically my shade in the Lancome foundation when I am like tanned. So perfect shade for me for the summertime because, you know, your girl been real tanned or whatever. So I picked this up from Sephora. At the time of making this video, this concealer is only sold on Sephora's website. It's not sold in store at Sephora yet. So with the color matching, it's kind of tricky, but I do plan on telling you guys if I think that the 500 concealer is true to match of the 500 foundation, if that makes sense, like if it's the same color spectrum. We're gonna get into that. So this concealer retails for $29 and is described as a full coverage concealer. So the Lancome Teint Idole Ultrawear All Over Concealer is described as a hydrating, full coverage, long wearing, matte finish concealer that's good for dark circles, fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles. I said that already. It retails for $29, and yeah, I think that's about it. The main ingredients is moringa seed, rose extract, and water lily extract. And it claims to provide up to 24 hours of hydration and comfort in a natural matte finish. I will not be wearing this concealer for a long period of time. Like, I'm not going to do a wear test with it yet because I do have like something to do afterwards, so I won't be able to do that today. But if you guys would like to see that, then comment down below and I can definitely give you guys an update, like my impressions after using it for a month, what I noticed, what I didn't notice, and all of that. So if you guys want to see that, then I can definitely give that to you guys. The concealer doesn't come in as many shades as the foundation right now. I do want to say that. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So I already did my brows off camera just because that was going to take too long. And the first thing I'm going to do is go in and prime my skin using the Fenty Beauty True Matte Primer. This is a primer that I have been loving, especially for the summertime, because when I tell y'all I need my face to be snatched, and this primer gives that to me. So I'm just gonna prime my face. And after I prime my face, I'm just gonna hop straight in with the concealer. So one thing I really love about this concealer is that the wand is very thick. So even if you are using this as a concealer or as like a foundation, like as a substitute for foundation, you have a nice thick wand, which I love. So I'm gonna go in and I'm just going to apply the concealer on top of my dark spots. So I went ahead and let the concealer sit on my face for about 2 to 3 minutes, and now I'm gonna go in with my Sephora with my Sephora 88 Pro slanted buffing brush just to blend that concealer in. So I went ahead and blended the concealer in, and this is how it's looking. And when I tell y'all that I said wow, my face looks so good. To think that this is only a concealer, like I can still go on top of it with a foundation or a tinted moisturizer, but the fact that this is just concealer, I'm lost for words. So now I'm gonna go in and just do like a little bit more, just so that the girls are nice and set. So I'm taking my Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Kunafa, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take some of that powder on my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. And I'm basically going to set the areas that I would usually set, just to make sure that we don't get much creasing, we don't get too much things moving, shifting and sliding. We don't want none of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and set those areas. And I did also use this concealer to carve out my eyebrows. So I'm just taking some of that setting powder just to set the concealer that's under my brows. So once everything is all set, I'm going to take my brush and just sweep away the extra setting powder. Ooh, the face is looking... Listen, Lancome, if you telling the girls that it's a real concealer summer, y'all should have told us earlier, because I was ready. Now I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty powder foundation, and I like to use this because it's a little too light for me right now that I'm tan. So I like to use it to just like add some color back to my face after using my setting powder. This powder foundation, listen, I've been finding ways to make her work. I'm getting my coins worth for this powder foundation. How are we looking? How are we looking? Because I think that my face looks very much so snatched. Let me get closer so y'all can see. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is just bronze my face using this Sephora bronze in the shade Ibiza, just to add some dimension back into the face. And now I'm just going to go in and set my face using my MAC Fix Plus setting spray. Woo. And let that dry down. As that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and apply my lips. So I'm going to use my MAC Chestnut Lip Liner and just line my lips. And then, I don't know why I've been so, I mean, it's been a thing, but I'm tapping into more color, as you guys may be able to notice. So the liquid lipstick I'm going to use today comes from the Lip Bar, which is a black-owned brand, and this is in the shade Boy Trouble. It's like a nice tomato red color, equal mix between an orange and a red, but I just feel like it's going to give a nice pop of color to my lip for this nice hot summer day. And when I apply the Zucca lipstick, I like to apply one layer, let it dry down for a little, and then go back in with another layer to add more like coverage, if that makes sense. And these lippies, they're really affordable. They're only like $13-14 in your local Target, or if you don't have a Target near you, you can also order it online. But these liquid lipsticks, I have almost every color that they came out with because they are just so good. So basically this is the final look, you guys. I am in love with this look. To think that I only achieved this coverage on my acne prone texture skin with just a concealer, just one product, a concealer, I am thoroughly impressed. So I'm really excited to see how this product wears like when I go out for the day and all of that. So as I mentioned before, if you guys do want to see a wear test, then I will definitely give that to you guys in the coming weeks. And also to think that this product was only $29 and I didn't have to use a lot of it. I just literally dabbed the product on my problem areas. I didn't have to go back in with the second layer. So I will honestly say that this product is full coverage. The product does have a little bit of a scent to it, like I don't know what it really smelled like, but it just got a little scent to it, especially compared to the foundation, the Teint Idole Foundation. I do want to say that if you are someone who is cautious of like using scents or just smelling certain things from certain products, I did want to mention that. And I also did want to mention that the color match of the concealer was very similar to the foundation to me. So 500 in Lancome Teint Idole Foundation is my foundation around this time of the year when I'm tanned, and I feel like the concealer gave me that same color wear on my skin. So I did want to give you guys feedback on that in case you guys are picking up the product online. If you guys already own the foundation and are curious on what colors to get in the concealer, then I would say that it is a true match to the foundations. I did look online and they don't have as many shades in the concealer as they do foundations. So there may not be an exact match for you if you guys are planning to use this concealer for like a foundation like I did, like all over your face. But you can also use this concealer as a highlighter shade. Like if you want to highlight certain areas of your face, you can use the concealer for that as well. So I do plan on picking up another shade to use like as a highlight color since I love the concealer so much. So I did want to note that in case you guys were curious on that part of my review. It's giving love at first sight. My first impressions of this product, that definitely gives me full coverage. It definitely gives me like a lightweight. My skin definitely feels hydrated. I'm gonna say a little confession, don't come for me. I haven't done my morning skincare routine yet, so my skin still has last night's product on it, but I feel like this product did a great job hydrating my skin as well as I was using it. And also it did mesh well with the other products that I use on my skin, my setting powder, my contour. So I will say that as well. But I'm in love. Comment and let me know what you guys think. Also comment down below and let me know, have you tried this concealer yet? Do you guys plan on picking it up? Comment down below and let me know. So yeah, overall, this could be that girl. This could be that girl for the rest of my hot girl summer. So if you guys enjoyed this review, then make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below and let me know, have you guys tried this product before? Do you guys plan on picking it up? Comment down below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you guys can see more of the popping content that I provide on my platform, period. And that's all I have for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next video, I'll see you guys later.